What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this Burago SF21 Formula Racing Ferrari. This is an F1 car, and if you guys didn't notice already, we do have some new lighting system, so that's great. I hope that it looks good and it's higher quality so you guys can see these cars die-cast and models and all that better. This is a 1/43 scale and we picked it up at our closest Target. I've been seeing these hit stores around my area, like just Targets. I haven't seen them any Walmarts, but this is a really cool line if Burago starts doing stuff like this. And on the back here, we can see that they have a 1/24 and a 1/18. And the 1/24 looks like an FXXK, which would be really cool to get. And then 1/18 is another F1. And then it has a little Ferrari sticker back there. Has a whole bunch of Ferrari badges on it, but this was really cool because I'm a big Ferrari guy and Hot Wheels doesn't make them anymore, obviously. But yeah, let's get this open. So I don't think this is die cast because it's super light, but it is very, very heavily detailed. So let's get it out of the box. There it is. Put this back here, and it did leave a mess, but it is extremely light. It is incredibly detailed. The chassis has like carbon fiber stickers on the top. The wheels look really sick. Whole bunch of detail to it. Let's get it out of this thing. Oh, I need a screwdriver for that. Alright. Luckily, I have one right here from, I believe, an M2 model kit. Alright, there you go. There it is. Very cool. So it does say made in China. So unlike Hot Wheels, it's not made in Malaysia. But let's take a look at the detail on it and the wheels. Wheels spin super well. It's effortless. This is crazy. It has emblems all over it. It has like gas station emblems, V-Power, obviously Shell. It has number 55, and I did notice there was two different F1 cars at the Target, and the guys had different helmets and they were different people. I got this one. It does look pretty accurate, like to a F1 car scale. It is, I think, all plastic. Yeah, it's super light, and it is put together with screws, so you can take it apart if you want to, which is a plus because you could probably swap around a couple pieces if you're that into it. But let's see, on the bottom it says Ferrari SF21 Burago 1/43, all the stuff we already know. Yeah, it's super high quality. Well, for being plastic, it is super detailed. And the wheels are rubber, if you guys were wondering. They're not plastic. And it rolls super smoothly. So we'll put it on the turntable so you guys can see it better. And yeah, then we'll show you guys some different angles of the car. So there is the Ferrari SF21 F1 Racer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the very end. We'll show the pictures of the F1 up close. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this car and about the Burago brand. Like, share, subscribe, do all that. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.